Hey everybody, it's Artist King back with another video. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That allows a lot more people to see it. I know you guys enjoy my video, so when you get to looking at it, just give it a thumbs up in the thing. If you like it, you can also leave a comment. I always appreciate comments, whether they be good or bad. And if you like the content on this channel, I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. Feel free to subscribe. That's three of the best things you can do to help me out. So anyway, today it's another very simple video. And I thought about the other day, somebody asked me again, how do I come up with these ideas? And I have to say, I really don't know. I sit, okay, this is what I do. I have a huge box of magazines. Anywhere I go on, people are giving away magazines or old books with pictures. I grab them up. And then I spend a lot of time, like right now I have 7 videos that I need to make. I spend a lot of time, I sit and I see things in my mind, I cut out pictures, and then I might find another picture that makes sense to make something with that, and I put it together. So I kind of cut everything out and I put it on a blank piece of paper, and I take a picture of it on my phone. And then I look at it and I see, okay, I ask myself, if I see this on YouTube, would I look at it? And then I try to figure out what else I can add to it or change or take away. And usually the background, which is what I'm doing now, usually I kind of, when I start actually filming the video, I figure out what to do with the background. And like I say, I don't ever really have a set plan. I just have, I have my boxes of stuff that I use, my pencils, my paint, my stencils, my ink pads, my brushes. So it just depends on what I feel like. So if you were to say, do I have like a set thing that I work it out, I can't say. Most days I just, as I start doing it, I kind of see in my mind what it is I want to do. So anyway, hope this will inspire you guys to try a video on your own. Leave a comment for me, let me know, how that kind of advice works for you. If you could just go start something and as you go along, you kind of see it in your mind and then you get it done. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. And like I said, I have 7 different ideas that I've already pieced together, so I have to go ahead and do those videos. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this today. I really appreciate you guys. And as the video says, if the shoe fits, that's my advice to you. If your shoe fits, go ahead and wear it. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you next time. Okay, so thank you guys one more time for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay, all right, bye now.